Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and in that video, we're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin here in the weekly. Then after the weekly, we're going to go to the daily. Then after the daily, we're going to go to 4 hours. Then after 4 hours, we're going to analyze it for you in 30 minutes. So make sure to watch the video from the start till the end and don't try to skip nothing, because also we're going to give you a multi-time frames analysis for the Bitcoin for you to get the clear picture where is the Bitcoin is going. So if you are a long-term investor, you're going to get it. If you are a swing trader, you're going to get it. And if you are a scalper and a day trader, you're going to get the clear picture. So let's start it. As you see here, also we are here in the weekly. And over here, a weekly candle, it's finished here. If you remember that 2 weeks, also we be in here. And me, I told you we need a confirmation, a green candle to tell us the market is going to reverse up. And that's what happened today. As you see it here, it came that green candle here. That it's indicating the market is going to go higher. And another thing here, guys, look at it very, very close with me. Look here, what the market is trying to give you here. The market is trying to give you here, like a cup and handle here in the weekly. Yes or no? You see it or no? Should we enter long now here in the weekly for long-term investors? No, not yet, my friend, not yet. Why? If you remember what else we said here in the weekly, people they've been with us for some time, they remember that. What else we said here? We said we used to have here a symmetric or a descendant triangle. Yes or no? Or a triangle. The names doesn't matter. When it's getting broke here, in that level here, where it needs to be the take profit for that one. You bring that line here, that one, and you put it here in the place where it's getting broke. Here, till down here. Yes or no? And that level where we are here, that one here, that level where we are here in the weekly, what it's telling us? That one is a very stronger level. As you said last time, we couldn't even break it. Now we are in it again. Should we enter long? Not yet, my friend. Our indicator, what is telling us? Our indicator is it here at the oversold area. For us to enter long, what we need? We need a price action here indicating for us we need to enter long. Yes or no? The price action we got is that one. Look at it here. If we haven't came and we're breaking upward here, there is no entry yet. Even here in the weekly is the same thing. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it from here. 2018 we be in here. Yes, also now we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Our indicator is it down here at the oversold area. But the price action for us to enter long, it's not yet. We need that one to get broke. As you see it, that falling wedge here, it needs to be broken here. And it's going to indicate it for us like that. We're going to bring that one here and we will do it like that, going up. But till now it doesn't being broke, so there is no entry long yet. It's needed till here to come and to break here in the weekly for us to enter long. It's need at least to go back to break for us that 20k. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, maybe that one is going to come and to break down here. Maybe it's going to come and to break down here and it's going to go down. Me personally, what I'm doing now, I'm telling you my investment plan. I'm not hiding nothing from you. Me personally now, I'm buying every day, because me personally I'm thinking we are very close to the bottom from here exactly. Being buying every day. Me, why did I buying every day? And also we came down and we breaking here that level here, that one. As you see, that one is getting broke. Now it's need that one to come back inside here. If it came back inside, that one 100% is the bottom. So we need to wait in a little bit, guys. That for the weekly. Now let's go into the daily to see what is it there. So let's go in there to the daily. Here we are in the daily. By the way, before we even analyzing for you the daily, yes, you are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Why? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we put in for you every day 2 videos. Every day 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very well updated about what the market doing right now. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. Here we are in the daily. Here in the daily, look with me. Also, before we said here, we got an inside bar here. We said if it doesn't come and break in here, there is no entry. But now look with me here what the market gave us here. You see it or no? It gave us here a symmetric triangle. That one for us to enter long, it's need that one to come to break up here. Did it break? No, not yet. It's not yet breaking. It's need to come to break here. Another thing here. If you look in with me here, like that, it tried to give you here the market a cup and handle like that, whereas the neckline of that cup and handle is here. So it's left for it a lot. It is going to come back here. Should we enter long? Not yet. Not yet. Here in the daily, not yet. Yes, also here we've been going up all that much, but not yet. Also, me personally I think is not yet. If it doesn't come and break in here, that symmetric triangle or that trend line here, you saw me how I draw it? There is no entry. It's need a candle at least to come to break here. For you to enter from here till the 200 moving average maybe. But now it's not yet. And also what we said in Friday, guys. People they been with us. Also every Friday we put in for them the analysis of the options for the Bitcoin of Bitcoin. Where is the puts and where is the calls? The calls, they are here in the top or in the neckline here exactly. Where is the puts? They are here for those people to stay in the safe side. So then they're thinking all the week the Bitcoin it will not break either up or either down. So should you buy now? Not yet. Also we came back every day to you. So if it's breaking here, we're going to give you the real breakout. But the breakout it happened in the 4 hours. We are going there. Let me show you something else, guys. Let's go in there. Here our indicator. People they been with us for some time. Also we've been following that one from 2021. As you see it's breaking here. That level here. At the first sign, also we're trying to change from a downtrend to an uptrend. Should we enter long? Not yet. Because last time here, if you see in here, that one here compared to the one here. Let me show it to you in the chart. Focus it with me now. You see that peak here with that peak here. And that one where you are now compared to that one. What you saying? Over here, it's down. Over here, it's flat. You got a hidden divergence. Yes or no? A hidden divergence, what's it indicating? Now when it's indicating, maybe the market is going to fall down again because also we are in a downtrend. Should we follow that hidden divergence? Not yet. If it doesn't come and breaking the last low here, that means there is no need to follow it. But if it continued upward and breaking that last high here, the market is changing in real. So now what shall we do here? We need to make a close eye at that level here. If we are going to break it and we go higher here or no. Everything is too clear, by the way. Yes, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button? Why, my friend? Please pause the video, smashing the like button, write down a comment, and if you could share the video, it will not take you that much. Just pause the video now. Do it now, please, please. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here, I told you it's break. If you are reading the title, you're going to find it's break. And through here, it's breaking. Also here in the 4 hours, what else we said here? People, they've been with us for some time. Also we said here, we got a flag like that. Or a channel like that. That channel is getting broke here. So the people, they want to enter long. Now they can enter long. Where it needs to be the first take profit. Look with me here. You came, you're doing a vertical line like that. You do it like that. Here, you take 50%. If you trading with margin or leverage, if you trading with spot, you close what it equal your investment at 17,600. Everything is very simple. If you trading with leverage, over here you close 50% and you move the stop loss to the break even. If you trading with spot, over here you close what it equal your investment. If that meant if you buy from here $100, over here you close $100. Why should you enter long? Because look with me here. See it or no? Over here is getting break here. Can even draw it like that. A ascendant triangle is getting broke here. Same thing for that one. You do it like that. And in the place where it's getting broke, over here, you close what is equal your investment. Because that one is going to go till here. Till 18K. Also now we are 17,161. Everything is very clear. Now let's go into see our indicators, what they're saying today. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it, it's very close now to the overbought area. Yes or no? Should we follow it? No. What me I told you here? People they've been with us. What me I told you here? Just the last 2 videos. I told you, look here, high, low, another high. It give you here a low. Now it give you another high. That man here, it's bringing the last high here. Everything is very simple, but if you enter, you stop lose. Don't enter without stop lose. And over here, all controlling now is the bulls, guys. The market is being waiting the volatility for long now. All the people they been waiting the break to happen. Now the break it's happening. Yes, today is Monday. You need to be careful. We need to wait until Tuesday, but try to enter slowly by slowly. Everything is too clear here. Let's go now to see our other indicator what it's saying. So let's go in there. That one here, as you see it, it's enter here to the overbought area. Should we don't enter now? No, you need to enter now long. Why? Because I show you all those things. Look here, you got a flag now here or a channel. It's being broken here. You need to enter long now. And here the 200 moving average, what's being telling you? Being telling you there is no volatility, and now it came the volume again. Let me show you exactly where to take profit. I told you do it like that and like that. You bring a vertical line like that. When it's reaching here, you close 50% stop loss where you need to put it down here. I'm talking here about 4 hours for swing trading. Bitcoin is going to go till here. Everything is very simple. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity there. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. People have been with us. The last video I told you we got here like that, a triangle like that. I told you if it's broken down you enter short, it doesn't. It's break only up. So up you enter long, you put stop loss here. Look where you are. You are here now. Should you take profit now? You close something and you protect yourself. And here in 30 minutes, look with me here. If we zoom in out like that, what you see in here? When Bitcoin breaking here the 200 moving average, look at it. What it giving you? Higher, low, you are in an uptrend. And another thing here, look here, very close here what you got. You got here an up channel. Now you're touching the top of it. So you be careful. Yes, it's going to come a correction, or maybe it's going to break it from here and going upward more. But in the 4 hours, you are going up. In 30 minutes, it's not yet. Why? Let me tell you why. In 30 minutes, our indicator is enter here to the overbought area. Now you need to look in for a short opportunity here. You got something here. Look with me here, and you do it like that. You got a mega phone. That one, if it came down and breaking here the 200 moving average, yes, you can enter short. Or it might is going to come to touch it here, then after that you're going to see it going upward. But till now here in 30 minutes, here in that zone, there is no price action indicating for us as we are going to fall down. Everything is too clear? So that's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.